I'm only gonna start selling acha in Joburg and in Rustenburg because I am starting my business. Okay, I did have the business last year in Cape Town, but that was on campus. Now it's gonna be a broader, now I'm gonna need a car. So I need you guys to support me. I really appreciate it. They were going to Didi's Acha. Or the Acha. The Acha. The Acha Tele. I just need you guys to support me. How much? I'll give you guys. Be serious. I'm serious. The Acha. Madam, I'm actually serious. I wanted the acha. With the acting, I was joking. Unless God wants me to. But with the acha, guys, I'm gonna sell acha. I would really appreciate you guys to support me. Oh, paprika acha. And acha thing I paprika, by the way. So, look at acha. Yeah, when you're not paprika. Oh, I can call it that. Does it make sense? No, we call it Guayana paprika.
Oh, yeah.
I don't call it ash because I born like ash. I learned like two more born in a mafura lemengu. Like ash. So, we use Guayana paprika. Okay, guys, Guayana paprika launching soon. No, guys, I've just literally showed you guys what I use for my skin a few minutes ago. Paprika acha. I go to acha because I get acha like why born I get acha so go paprika because acha na paprika. Kile sal kile le ingredients go like le salo nkatla lo reka yaka. Ke bona mong a reka acha go ulwetse go shapa tle go go bitsa because like to me no bua le nna if una le stress wa reka acha go ulwetse. No kutleletse. Or maybe like on a problem, or like maybe you're going through a lot. Like I need to understand when I will reka acha yako ulwetse. Orata yone. Chomi awiti acha. Wana ka reka go ulwetse awiti acha. Ka tla le nna go rekisa ka go ulwetse bili ga yang. In the garlic, yes, baby, it's gonna be garlic and